Good day, everyone. I'm Nicole Taluban, a student nurse from Asia Pacific Colleges of Advanced Studies. So today, I will be demonstrating the proper community health nursing bag technique while performing wound dressing during a home visit. But before that, let's just define what is bag technique. So the community health nursing bag technique is a systematic and scientific method of using the public health nursing bag during home visits. It follows the principles of medical asepsis and infection prevention to ensure that nursing procedures are carried out safely and effectively in the client's home. Since the home environment is not as controlled as a healthcare facility, it is essential to observe proper bag technique to reduce the risk of contamination and prevent the transmission of microorganisms between the nurse, the client's family, and future clients. So we are done talking about the intro of community health nursing bag technique. So now let's talk about the purpose of the community health nursing bag techniques. So first, to provide safe, effective, and organized nursing care during visits. Two, to prevent cross-contamination and the spread of infection by maintaining clean and aseptic practices. Three, to protect the client, the student nurses' equipments, and the healthcare providers from harmful microorganisms. And four, ensure that all nursing supplies and equipment remain clean, functional, and ready for use. And the last one, to provide proper infection control by programming wound dressing and other nursing procedure outside the hospital settings. So, upon arriving to the client's home, make sure to greet and introduce yourself to the family, assess the client's need, establish rapport with the family members to promote operation, identify the client and explain the procedure need to be done. Then after that, take the client's history and ask the client for blood surveys like table, chest, or back, or if they don't have any of that, use the floor. Magandang araw po, ma'am. Ako po si Nicole Taluban, your student nurse from Asia Pacific Colleges of Advanced Study po. So ngayon po, ma'am, i-assess ko po ang inyong sugat and papalitan ko po ang inyong wound dressing. At pagkatapos po nun, ma'am, ay bibigyan ko po kayo ng health teaching about sa sugat nyo at kung paano nyo po may iwasang ma-infection. So bago po tayo mag-start, ma'am, meron po ba kayong any flat surface po na pwedeng pagpatungan ng bag ko? Okay po, ma'am. Thank you po. After that, you So now we will do the hand washing. So,
now I'm done doing hand washing. So now we will start putting my apron.
So I'm done putting my apron. So now I will start bringing all the instruments that's necessary for wound dressing. So guys, let's put all the necessary instruments and use stereo and use dry solution, alcohol, hydroxynada or antiseptic disinfectant, hot bar, cotton balls, heated mixer, microphone tape, clean gloves, and that's all. So let's move to the one. So this is all the instruments that all we needed.
A few moments later.
So guys, after the wound dressing, that's all. Clean out the instrument that we all use. Using this alcohol, 70% solution of alcohol, and this cotton balls. So guys, after cleaning all the instruments, let's put it in our OB bag or our community health bag. So guys, please, if you will put it in the flash bag or plastic. So now I will doing hand washing, and after hand washing, I will remove my apron. So set.
Number two was a factor of all of the following things known. The assessment, the patient, as well as their nursing care and treatment plan. For the last one, make an appointment for the next visit. Question, see you again.